Hello and welcome to another YouTube video. As you can tell, I haven't recorded in a while. That I cannot explain. What I can explain is I'm making a new world because my other one corrupted. I'm still making tutorials for the Create mod. This time the add-on for the Create mod will be, what do you know, Create Connected. It sounds like the most awesome mod. There's thousands of mods, so it's probably not, though it's my favorite. Literally sponsoring a mod somehow. Now, as we can tell, I am somehow failing to find what I am supposed to remember to do. That's not good. No. No. Now I'm gonna speed this part up because no one wants to watch me fail to remember what I'm supposed to do. Oh, you're getting so close, Sterling. Come on. I know you can do it. Come on. You're right there. And there we go. Now, that makes me remember the other block I'm going to be doing a tutorial on. And now, of course, I'm having to grab the parts I need for the tutorial, which of course I remember those, but not the tutorial blocks. Now, I'm going to need a lever, a shaft, not a creative motor, I don't know why I grabbed that, a shear pin, and a brake. Now, the creative motor part was a mistake. Don't use those for either of these blocks. Now, basically, the brake, that, when powered by redstone, creates infinite stress on the system, stopping all machines. Like, if you have too many machines, it's like that, but instead in one block. Now, it does not work with the creative motor because the creative motor produces infinite stress, and that does not stop infinite stress. And then the shear pin is like the opposite of the brake. Whenever there is no more stress left, it just breaks. Now, it's not going to break because I made a mistake and the creative motor has infinite stress, as I'm about to find out, obviously. Now, we have got the achievement, but nothing has happened because I have used a creative motor. As I am about to realize this is a mistake, as you can tell. Now, I'm about to search for a water wheel because that does not have infinite stress, and then I am also gonna make a mistake choosing my water wheel. As you can tell, whenever I start searching water wheel, I grab the wrong one. This is a major mistake. Do not copy my quote-unquote professionalism. Now, if I was professional enough, I would have chosen the smaller one because obviously that one broke my water source. So I'm gonna grab the smaller one. Yes, there you go. Now, yep, there you go. Now I am going to just turn on the brake, and now my shear pin will break, and it will even give me an achievement. How nice is that? Now, this is the end of that video, so make sure to like and subscribe and have a good day, and what else not?